Grow with Google. Grow with Google is a free training program to learn, to empower, to build skills, to manage your business remotely. Google has started a free training program for everyone. Due to the outbreak of COVID-19, many people are facing difficulties to run their businesses. It is a best opportunity to learn, develop skills and enhance knowledge. In this program, online tutorials, workshops are available. Once you successfully complete the training, you will be rewarded with a Google certificate. The training program is based on different courses such as IT, education, entrepreneurship, etc. So this is the best time to get benefit from this opportunity and make your future bright. Google is supporting people to slow the spread of COVID-19. Many employees, educators, and students are working remotely. To help, we've gathered some free tools and resources to keep you connected and productive in this program. You can learn, teach, and work from anywhere. Work from anywhere you want. Greater than you can communicate effectively, from wherever you are. Greater than learn to schedule and run a successful meeting. Greater than hold a meeting via video conference. Greater than manage your business remotely. You can teach from anywhere. Greater than you can learn from anywhere. Following programs are available. For educators, this program will help educators to engage the classroom and help students to get the skills they need to prepare for today's jobs. For business, this program will enable you to run your business remotely with the help of advanced digital resources to stay in touch with your customers and work more efficiently and effectively. The tutorial will be provided on how to manage your business remotely, connect with customers anytime and from anywhere. For job seekers and students in this program, you will be taught to build your skills and search for different jobs. You will be able to grow your digital skills and find your next job. For developers, this program will enable you to stay on the latest technology by sharpening your current skills and mastering the new ones. It is the best opportunity for developers to learn new skills to advance your career. For startups, this program will help you to build and scale your great idea with tips, tools, and community support. You will get to know new tips, tools, and resources to grow your startup. You will know how to improve your business with advanced marketing skills. This is really a great opportunity and highly recommended. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon.